Welcome to our new episode of Component Series. In this video, we will have a look at what Hotspot component is and how to use it step by step. Hotspot is a component that you can use to create an interactive area that is larger or smaller than a layer of your design. They're invisible, yet functional. Let's explore some common use cases for it and learn how to use it. The most common use for hotspots is the invisible button. For example, here we would like to make it show a pop-up when users click on a table cell. The key is to make the table cell as a clickable button with Hotspot. First, draw a Hotspot component on your design with simple drag and drop. Resize it to fully cover the table cell where you want it to be interactive. Then, we're going to create a pop-up window. Create a sub-artboard and add content we want to display on the pop-up window. Next, we're going to drag the link point to the sub-artboard to add interactions. As you can see, we can set different triggers, animations, easing, and more here. Here, we are creating a clickable hotspot, so we just set triggers as click. Then, let's select Show Mask to add a mask behind the pop-up, and it's done. You can also position where you want the pop-up to show up. Okay, let's have a look. You can also use it to link objects with animations in your design. For example, when scrolling down on a web page, objects and contents on both sides will slide into the center. Let's see how we can use Hotspot to make it happen. First, put the content that you want to slide in outside the main artboard. You can think of it as a starting point to slide in. Next, click the State panel in the top toolbar and add a state for the content. Move the content to the position you need for the state you add. You can think of it as the ending point to slide in. Then, do it again to the other content. What's next? Draw a Hotspot component on your design with simple drag and drop. Resize it to cover the area where you want it to be interactive. Next, let's drag the link point to the content to add interactions. Set the triggers as mouse enter and commands as switch state. Then, select the state you want to switch to when the mouse enters the hotspot. You can also set easing, duration, delay to get different transactions as you like. Then, do it again to the other content. Last and most important, please be sure to select Start simultaneously to make the content slide in at the same time. Okay, let's see what we got here. Two examples above are pretty common and what you'd normally expect for hotspots. Absolutely, you can do way more than these with Hotspot. Tell us if you have more amazing ideas about using Hotspot in design. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any queries, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.